with this aquatic Kenya.
Our Kenya National Rally champion Karan has set his sight on the Rwanda Mountain Gorilla Triumph slated for September 22nd to 24th, which will be the 5th edition of the African Rally Championship calendar planned for 2023. Now Karan, who bagged the 4th edition of the African Rally Championship held in Burundi, is currently the 3rd in the African Rally Championship leaderboard with 60 points.
Top 3, confidence-wise, not overconfident, but quite positive we will be able to win the remaining rounds of the championship. Yeah, Rwanda it'll be our 3rd time. We raced there for the last 2 years. This will be the 3rd year. Quite confident in terms of knowing the roads. We'll be using the same stages, so everything is quite familiar and fresh in the mind. And it's a nice rally to participate in, so we're looking forward to it.
Rwanda is a nice rally. It's, I would say, smooth. As smooth as Burundi, if not even slightly more smoother. It's also a fast rally. Some of the stages are a bit twisty. We're looking forward to Rwanda. We've been there twice. This will be our 3rd time we are going there. We're using the same stages that we used the past 2 years. So it's not something new to us.
Now Karabondi FC, alias the Dark Horse, has been